Hey everyone, welcome to Cook with Brooke. Today I'm making Nando's chicken at home. For those of you who don't know, Nando's serves peri peri Portuguese style chicken and it is delicious. The recipe that I'm making for Nando's chicken is from a blog that I found years ago called Kimberly Lowe. It's a delicious recipe. It's really simple to pull together. You don't have to go to Nando's to experience the delicious peri peri Portuguese chicken. You can do it right at home. The recipe produces 300 mils of sauce, but feel free to double or triple it because it will last in the fridge for about a month apparently. I never have enough sauce left over after a month. Like, who has sauce left over? So first you pour half a cup of olive oil into a saucepan over medium heat. Then add in the white vinegar. When the oil and vinegar mixture starts to simmer, throw in a chopped red pepper and throw in the garlic cloves too, followed by the juice of half a lemon and then stir to mix. Simmer for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Turn off the heat, add in the chopped red chilies and the bird's eye chilies. Then add in 2 tablespoons of oregano and salt. Allow the mixture to cool slightly for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you're just gonna put it into a blender or a food processor. I just butterfly the chicken. As you've seen in a previous video, you just cut the spine out of the back with a pair of sharp scissors, lay it flat on a roasting tray, pour the sauce on. Try it out and let me know if you make it, and I would love to hear if you do. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to get notified of whenever I post a new video, and I will see you guys soon.